3D printing is very popular now. Many people want to buy a good 3D printer, but it can be hard to choose because there are so many. Today, I will show you the top 5 best 3D printers. They are fast, make good quality prints, and are easy to use. Let's see which one is best for you. Number 5, Creality Ender 3v3ke. This is our 5th best pick, but still an excellent choice for beginners. It's very fast, with a top print speed of 500 mm per second, allowing it to print a small model like a benchy in just 15 minutes. The printer has a strong X-axis linear rail with ball bearings, which helps the print head move smoothly and accurately with less shaking during fast printing. It uses a direct drive sprite extruder and a powerful 60W ceramic heater, so it can print with many materials like PLA, PTG, TPU, and even high-temperature filaments up to 300 degrees Celsius. It also includes smart features such as automatic bed leveling, Z-offset correction, and a simple-to-use 4.3-inch touchscreen. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can control and monitor your prints remotely through the Creality Cloud app. The flexible PEI build surface makes it easy to remove finished prints. The printer runs on Clipper firmware, which adds advanced functions like input shaping and motion advance to improve print quality. Despite printing so fast, it delivers high-quality results with very little ghosting or ringing. Number 4, FLSUN Super Racer. The FLSUN Super Racer is a very fast Delta-style 3D printer. It can reach print speeds up to 200 mm per second, which is about 3 times faster than regular printers. It has linear rails on its vertical supports and a lightweight print head, helping it move quickly. It works great at normal speeds around 80 mm per second, but printing faster than that needs careful adjustment, especially for PLA prints because cooling the parts can become a problem. The printer comes with a BMG dual-gear extruder, a volcano-style hot end that heats up to 260 degrees Celsius, and a heated glass bed that reaches 100 degrees Celsius. This lets you print materials like PLA, PTG, and ABS. Other useful features include automatic bed leveling, a 3.5-inch touchscreen, and a 32-bit motherboard with TMC 2209 drivers that keep it running quietly. The all-metal frame makes the printer sturdy, but if you print very fast without tuning acceleration, you might see some ringing in the prints. Number 3. We have the Creality CRM4. The CRM4 stands out with its exceptional build quality, featuring dual Y-axis linear rails and a rigid triangle frame that ensures stability during large prints. The printer comes equipped with a Sprite dual-gear direct drive extruder and a volcano-style hot end capable of reaching 300 degrees Celsius, enabling compatibility with a wide range of materials, including PLA, PTG, TPU, ABS, and nylon. Its PC spring steel bed provides excellent adhesion and easy print removal, while the CR Touch auto leveling system ensures consistent first layers. The removable 4.3-inch touchscreen offers convenient control, and the 4020 cooling fan with twin ducts delivers superior print cooling. Performance-wise, the printer handles overhangs well up to 75 degrees, and produces minimal stringing. Additional features include power loss recovery, filament detection, and an 800W power supply that heats the bed efficiently. The dual Z-axis with belt sync effectively prevents gantry sagging and Z-wobble. Number 2. We have the FLSHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro. This is our runner-up pick, and excels with its impressive 600 mm per second maximum print speed and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, making it a standout in high-speed 3D printing. This Core XY printer features a direct drive extruder and quick-detach nozzle system, allowing for versatile material compatibility, including PLA, PTG, ABS, ASA, and carbon fiber composites. The enclosed design with dual air filtration, HEPA, and activated carbon ensures consistent print quality and reduces harmful emissions. While the printer achieves reliable results at practical speeds of 200-300 mm/s, it does have limitations with TPU, requiring significantly slower speeds. Notable features include auto-leveling, a PI-coated flex steel build plate, and comprehensive connectivity options via Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB. The all-metal frame construction provides stability during high-speed printing, while vibration compensation technology helps maintain print quality by reducing ghosting and surface artifacts. Number 1. We have the Prusa 4 Malawian Kwaches. This is the best 3D printer you can buy on the market, and sets a new benchmark for 3D printing quality with its exceptional precision and reliability. This printer features a robust die-cast aluminum frame and uses advanced 0.9 degrees stepper motors that eliminate vertical artifacts. The standout extruder system, equipped with a load cell sensor, delivers perfect first layers automatically without user input. A key innovation is the implementation of input shaper and pressure advanced technologies, which significantly reduce print times while maintaining quality. The printer includes a high-performance 32-bit mainboard with silent stepper drivers, enabling smooth and quiet operation. The magnetic heatbed with removable PEI spring steel sheets ensures excellent print adhesion and easy model removal. Print quality is consistently impressive across various materials, from basic PLA to advanced composites like nylon and polycarbonate. The all-metal hot end design, featuring a quick-swap nozzle system, allows for easy maintenance and versatility. The printer's advanced cooling system and precision thermistors maintain optimal printing conditions. Connectivity options include USB, LAN, and Wi-Fi, with remote monitoring available through Prusa Connect. The color LCD interface, while not touch-enabled, provides clear feedback and easy access to essential functions. Safety features include power panic recovery, overcurrent protection, and comprehensive temperature monitoring. So that sums up my top 5 3D printers. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.